Hey, Chula fam. Today is day 3 on the Carnival Breeze, and we are in Cozumel, Mexico. So get your popcorn ready and come with us and enjoy this Caribbean adventure, Malik and Mesha style.
Stay a while, stay with me. Stay a while, stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me.
Welcome
to Love and Adventure.
Hey, Chula fam. It is Cozumel Day. We're gonna head down to the buffet, grab something to eat, and see if we can meet up with the rest of the group, because nobody is tapping into the chat right now. They was out partying, all them youngsters, and some of the folks that are young at heart. But we were in our bed probably around midnight, knocked out, and it was really choppy, so I wasn't feeling all that well. This wasn't working as well as it should, so.
Extra rocky.
Right, we're gonna head out, grab something to eat, and see if we can meet up with everybody later. See y'all in a bit. All right, 2LA fam, we are exiting the ship, waiting on our group to come. Say hey, Shayla. Hey. Gang is all here. What happened?
Cannon needs it on the key. Or not Cannon, but Damari.
Oh, the Damari was his? Okay. That's what I said. Just going back up to the room? Yeah. Okay. All right, take 2. Now everybody's here. Because some of us forgot our IDs on the boat.
Not too much.
We got the Wonder of the Seas. She's working. She took a call. Three amigos.
What the?
You just holding your phone up? That's a sign of the elderly. Because I do that all the time. That's what my mama used to say to me all the time. She said, as soon as you hit 30, it's all downhill. That's when life speeds up. Yep. That's actually waves crashing over there. I ain't never seen that before. Normally the water really calm.
No, I didn't.
Gotta go through here. See that sign? Yes.
Borrowed it.
Yeah, I figured you were working. I told him.
For the credit union, I gotta take all my cards.
No, he just walked through. Welcome to Cozumel, Mexico. Okay. Right up here. And to the right, remember? Yeah.
Want me to take her with them to the passport shop? We gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, that's why I said it's up here to the right. She got to use the bathroom real quick. What are today's deals?
Today's deal, sir.
Is it too late?
little bit,
Yeah.
but let's see. Maybe the ATV?
Oh, I know they're not gonna want to do ATVs.
Yeah, that's the only one now.
Okay, thank you.
It was I don't remember.
It's the pink building. We got to turn right.
Oh, okay.
And the only reason I remember that because we just uploaded a video about it,
Oh, wow.
our Jubilee video.
Oh, yeah, that was important.
Mm-hmm. But snorkel scuba is different. All right, so we negotiated a deal. We're gonna get a 14-passenger van for the 10 of us, and we're gonna go to Sandy Beach. And then the stroller.
That's Nadi and the baby, right?
Right,
Okay, 9 people.
yeah. I don't know if we have enough on our card to pay that if we want to pay it right now.
Let me.
All right, take a seat over here, my friends. We're going to park the van right there.
Okay.
You can collect the money right now.
Okay. Right. Yeah. I wasn't expecting us to make a big purchase out here because I don't think we were going to do anything, but I misjudged this.
Yeah, I thought there was a pool here.
Yeah, he's shown too. I wasn't expecting there to be nothing here because, you know, we've never stayed at this. We always go right over there. You want her to take your picture?
No, she got her
Oh, she have a
selfie
filter. All right, I'm gonna record you.
Right.
Mhm. Right.
Mario ain't got a care in the world. He's chilling. I wish I had a stroller.
Right. Get pushed around.
Right. He probably like it's here.
He like, I
This
never.
weather is perfect right now.
I didn't get on a plane again, so I didn't leave nowhere.
Y'all turned on.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay.
I'm facing.
Are you gonna leave that in, or do you want to bring it out? Because they wait for us. We're going to a beach.
I'm going to stay there the whole night.
Okay. Uh-oh. Can she leave that in here if you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
The van there, we have space over here in the middle.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you.
You could have said run here. What you think?
Your first time on the island?
For some. Few of us have been here a lot. You don't remember that? Your first cruise? No, this is our 6th cruise here. Yeah, and a couple of us have never been. She did, but I'm jealous.
The first one she said was broke, but it went for
I disputed.
yeah, I was just
Very nice.
Thank you. Well, this is our first time here at the Chula Beach Club in Cozumel. As many times as we've been to Cozumel, we've never been here. But we figured it would be the easy. Oh, you know what? Isaiah, we've been here before. This is the place we came last time.
I already know.
Remember that pool? I just recognized it when I walk up right here. This is the place we went. I didn't until just now.
This is patient time, really picky. 1 Mexican minute.
Oh.
Did you stay here?
We didn't stay here. We were on a cruise, remember?
Oh, wow.
Mi mamá mandó a estar privada y no me fue a la escuela porque era clave.
Okay. Yeah, this is where I got shit faced.
We're not doing that again.
No, we're not. But I got the all you can drink package.
The
Okay.
bar right here, restroom over here on the left side.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, restroom, change rooms, and showers.
Okay.
Okay.
They have the bar, the restaurant over there. They have the chairs and umbrellas. Water activities on the front. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be there the whole time. You see the guys over there standing over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna be there with my co-workers. Around what time you want to go back to the ship? Just for me to be ready with the pan and everything.
About 4.
About 4.
Mm-hmm.
You have 2 p.m.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we'll be around 2 hours. I'm gonna
Mhm.
get the band started 10-15 minutes before for the AC and everything, and I'll meet you right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
My
you.
name is Moses. Remember, it's on the bracelet, cell phone, email right there. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Moses.
Enjoy it.
I'm like,
All
they
right.
got braids.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right. We can.
You wanna go play in the water? What? Yeah. I mean, you say, no, later. You can't eat them now? Anybody want some coconut shrimp? Mesha. Want some coconut shrimp? Mesha. Coconut shrimp?
Or coconut shrimp.
You niggas also said that in the club last night. That's what he said. That was in there the night before after I left out and came back. There was a few men in there dropping it low and shaking it more than the women.
Oh, wow.
They top and booty shorts. Yeah.
Having fun?
We're digging right now. Dad, get the bag. Get the bag, please. I got the person about.
I got the bag.
I'm digging, Mother. I'm digging.
You digging?
Look my hand. Yeah, I'm just digging a hole.
You can't keep those. No, they won't let you take them on the ship. Because it's in Mexico.
Yeah, no.
I mean, you can try, but yeah. They frown on that, taking the shells. Because Mesha do that everywhere we go. And when we got on the ship one time, they were like, no, the hermit crabs need those. You're not supposed to take them. You're still in crab homes. Here's a bag.
Guys, help me find the crab. I'm digging. The bag is. The tree.
There you go.
Maggie, get the tree.
Anybody want to snorkel? We got snorkel masks like that. Did I bring it? I might be lying. No, I don't think I brought them. Actually, we can do it tomorrow. They're in the room. All right, fam, about to head out, getting this water up to my knees. I forgot my towel on the boat, so I can't completely get in this water, because if I could, I'd get on one of them things. You burying yourself? All right, people. We got about 30 more minutes and we're gonna round up the rest of these families and we out of here. See y'all in a minute.
Whoa, 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 yeah, whoa, 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 yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it flow in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity, in this land of sweet harmony. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. starry night. Music strong, it feels so right. No more stress, no more fight. Just good vibes, pure delight.
Yeah.
Going downhill. Careful. You can sympathize, can't you?
Oh, of course. I'm the one that wrote the checks.
Me too. Me too. I got 17 with me.
Oh, well, you got me beat by 7.
Oh, you got 10 here.
Yeah.
That's still quite a few.
Yeah.
All my grandkids are here and all my kids are here.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I mean that kind of makes it worth it, right?
Yeah, it does. 'Cause
Yeah.
you can't buy memories.
No, yeah, you're right.
You got to make them. You can't buy them.
Absolutely. And we've been looking for
And
this
then,
for
and
a
then
while.
if you work hard,
Yeah.
what do you work?
Yeah.
I mean, you work hard just to work and make,
No,
you know.
I tell my job all the time, I work just to travel.
There you go.
That's pretty
Yeah,
much
so
it.
I got my partner at work. He's in Egypt this week.
Oh, nice. Okay.
We both unknowingly took trips at the same time.
Yeah.
And our Dallas office is empty right now because we're both not even in the States.
Wow. Well, we all work remote. My wife's actually working right now, though.
See if I could find something that works for
Yeah.
me. I might live here several months out of the year.
Yeah, we want to buy a property in Belize. We were there in
Right here, Mom.
August, and we want to go back. We're going to go back again in May.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we love it there. It's nice. I mean, it's an English-speaking nation. You have to have you can get a visa. You just have to renew it every month. And if you renew it for 12 months in a row, then you can apply for citizenship. Yeah.
That's what he was saying. So if you buy or lease property for 99 years here, after 5 years you can apply for citizenship in Mexico.
Right.
And then go in and redo something with your property and actually own your property after the 5. Out of everywhere I've gone, I've been in the lease. I just like being here.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is my place. We've been here, I don't know how many times. We stay weeks at a time here.
Oh, okay.
We stay right next door when
Oh,
we come.
nice.
At Residencias
Okay.
Reef. Nice. If you've
Yeah,
never
yeah.
been there, it's a nice place.
We're on a cruise ship.
So me too.
Yeah.
We're cruising this time.
Oh, okay.
But when
Yeah.
we come and stay at Residencias Reef
Okay.
next door, nice place.
Nice. All
It's in
right.
between this place and Secrets. Is
Have
on
you
the-
ever been to Coconuts on the other side of the island?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
I got a picture of him drinking.
Yeah.
He had to have some
I
coconut
hated that
water.
coconut. That was
Put
the
the
worst
straw
coconut
in it.
ever.
Yeah.
He's like, that's not what he thought it was going to be flavorful.
Right.
and
Yeah.
sweet.
No. Coconut water is blah. It's good for you, but it's blah. Interesting.
Are we loaded?
I thought he was up here.
Great time.
You too. Take care. Nice talking to you. I don't know where our driver is.
What are we looking for, Russell?
Is this him up here?
Over here.
Or is that him? That's him. Yeah, I think that's him.
Oh, we've lost the grandchild.
Uh-oh.
Wait, who's up my top?
See what happens.
Oh, there it is.
So many of them. You lose some grandkids. Might have to come back for a
Yeah,
lost
there it is.
grandchild.
Oh, no. All right, we all enjoy the rest of your day. Are you on the, what are you, Carnival or Carnival? Okay. Yeah, we're on there too. Yeah, might see you on there. Yeah, you too. You can sit right there. I'm gonna sit next to Mesha. I probably should have got in first though. Sorry.
A little while later.
Can someone hold it? Hurry up. Everybody get in.
I mean, we was in it, but need somebody taller to hold it.
Where you at, baby?
Just press it.
There you go.
Wait, you cut him off.
Whoever holding the camera got to do better.
Shayla, get up here.
Now it's flipped around there.
We took longer than what Misha was going to take.
Somebody got to hold her phone. You got to hold it with both
Can y'all
hands.
see Misha?
There you go.
Hold it up.
Now I'm cropped out.
Hold it up. Some
You
more.
got it. There you go.
Ice cold water.
Good.
Enjoy.
needed that. And this one long, long, long. You want to go down to the next one or right here? I don't care. Why is that thing creaking like that? It's creaking.
A few moments later.
Hello. We're back on the boat and heading out for dinner. Not going to the main dining room though because the menu did not look appealing. We're gonna risk it at the buffet.
The buffet slash pizza slash sandwich spot.
That's right. We ain't going to the buffet. Pizza sandwich. See y'all out there.
Y'all ready to be drunk? Cause this hog got you.
I know they
you
do.
don't need nothing. You can feel tipsy without
Right. Yeah, this boat is rocking, y'all. Dude, I don't think I've ever actually held onto the rails walking down these halls before. I am today. Well, I'm gonna pay attention this time. Oh, okay. Yeah, we were in the right bay because it's right here. Salad bar, goodies. Oh, okay. All right, look like we finally. Yep, there we go. There is the pizza. This is day 3, y'all. We haven't even been back here. I'm sorry, baby. This is all shook up. I think the sandwich place is over there. Wait, is it Cozumel Day?
Yes.
Yeah, it's Cozumel Day. Oh, we're gonna.
Tired.
Yeah, we are.
Mesha. Oh. Oh, snap. Right, thanks.
You have a good time?
And they followed, yeah, they were following me. I'm the one leading everybody astray.
What?